If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in CS2, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow the steps below to get back into the game. Step 1. Restart the game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official CS2 website or community forums to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher like Steam and navigate to the game's properties. Use the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website like Nvidia or AMD to download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 5. Adjust game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game options. Sometimes high settings can cause performance issues. Try setting them to medium or low to see if it helps with loading times. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in CS2. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.